I have received two Bedrock cycle tires a short while ago. I have repaired the dampness across these walls by pasting the peel-offs using Fevicol. In the meantime, I am waiting for the Hartex tube, which will be delivered by Amazon in a short while from now. But that wall was looking very awkward just because of the peel-off. Now I have received a Hartex bicycle tire tube also. In few minutes I will visit nearby cycle shop to get them installed. At 6:10 I am leaving house for the cycle shop. तो कहीं है भी नहीं ना, क्या कर
चाहिए आपको 175
195।
ये 95 है।
हाँ
तुमने लगाया?
हाँ। So I have got my bicycle tire and tube replaced from here. So at 8:40 I have reached the home after installing both the tires and tubes. Earlier I got this tire replaced, then visited another shop to buy the tube. I tried to get the weight of this Bedrock Mustang bicycle tire. It came out to be 982 grams, which is much more than expected, and the information which I got from online websites was totally wrong, since they used to inform in their descriptions and respective specification column that it weighed only 600 grams. I was totally mistaken to buy these bicycle tires, but I don't had any other option. Since 26 inches 1.95 tires are not available anywhere. Ralson is the only company manufacturing these tires, and earlier I installed 2.1, which was also much thicker than the original ones, which were imported along with the bicycle. I think those were Canada or any good Chinese company who manufacture 1.95 and 1.75 nylon tires also. But in India, no manufacturer provides less than 2.1 or 2.4 inches, which is a greater drawback. While the only thing which is being manufactured in India are the tires